Hi guys, Drew here from Prepare Camping, and I've been on Amazon again. I got this little alcohol stove. Let's open up and have a look, shall we? So it comes with this nice little felt drawstring bag, which is quite a nice touch. Now the pot stand that comes with it is also quite a clever mechanism for keeping it locked together. You just spring these arms down and you can turn them around and they spring back and lock into place. I quite like that. Now I paid £11.98 for this off Amazon, but they must be selling quite popularly because it's now gone up to £13.98. I still think that's a reasonable price, and as always there'll be a link in the description below, and who knows, you might find it cheaper. I think they're also on eBay, so if I can find a link to a seller on there, I'll also put that in the description for you. Now this is quite a basic idea for a stove. It's very similar to one that I made from a beer can if you see this video up here. The idea is that it's twin walls, and that basically the alcohol, as it heats up, vapours will go up in between the two walls and it will jet out the top and bloom out of these little holes. So here are all the relevant dimensions. And as you can see, the key one is that it holds 190 millilitres of fuel. That's quite a lot actually for these little stoves. The whole unit weighs precisely 200 grams, which is just over 7 ounces. So we'll just put some fuel in it, get it going, and then wait for it to warm up. And here you can see now that it's been going for a few minutes, it's working nicely. Now the reason why the bloom there isn't exactly a perfectly symmetrical pattern is because the holes in the top of mine aren't exactly equally spaced. But, you know, it does the job. And when you finish with it, putting it out, it's nice and easy. Just throw the cap on. You can't really miss because the pot stand will make sure it guides it straight on top of the stove. Job done. So, all in all, I think it's a great little stove. Go out and get yourself one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.